In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify store name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to update your store's name and make sure the change sticks across your dashboard and customer-facing areas like checkout and notifications. Open your browser and head to shopify.com. This gets you to the main site where you can access your account. On the homepage, click Login. This takes you to the secure sign-in flow. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure it's the same one you use for your store. Then choose Continue with Email to move forward. On the next screen, type your password carefully. If you're using a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill to avoid typos. When everything looks correct, click Log In. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look for the Settings option. This is where Shopify keeps your store-wide preferences. Click Settings, then choose General. The General area holds your basic store information, including your current store name. In the Store Details section, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the field where you can change your store name. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear. Consider capitalization and spacing and keep it consistent with your brand voice. Short, clear names are easier for customers to recognize. If you're rebranding, double check that the name aligns with your logo, colors, and marketing materials so everything feels cohesive. A quick but important note: changing your store name here does not change your .myshopify.com domain or any custom domain you've connected. This is the label your customers see throughout checkout, in order notifications, and in parts of your storefront. If you ever want to update a domain, that's a separate task in your domain settings. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. Give the page a moment to refresh, and you can navigate back through your admin to make sure the name appears as expected. If you have your storefront open in another tab, refresh it to see the updated name on the site header or in checkout, depending on your theme. That's it. Your Shopify store name is now updated. If you're making a broader brand refresh, plan to update your theme header, favicon, and any email templates so everything matches the new name. Thanks for watching and happy selling.